Ayan guys. Yan yung nilalakaran namin. Hi there dear. Wow, nice. Oh. Just walking. Yeah. Malamig. Ando na si Sander. Walang dumadaan dito na ano guys, na sasakyan. Mga tao lang. Ayun na si Sander. Iniwan ako. Ito ang daming bahay guys. Nakita nyo yan? Oh, yan oh. Puro bahay yan. Ayan. Pati dito sa kabila. Maraming bahay dito guys. Ayan. Hindi nga lang squatter. Kaya ayan oh, bahay din doon. Ang dami. What's that? Oh, stone. Okay.
White stone.
No, it's not stone. Maybe that poop the dog.
No, this.
Ay, yeah. You keep that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
But I have
Yeah.
so much.
Sander found the stone color white. Yeah, that's good. You keep.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's a marble.
I don't know.
Oh, doon papuntang grocery guys.
Easily.
Ha?
This can fly so easy.
Yeah, have flower also there. You see, may nagtumutubo na bulaklak guys doon. Ayan. Wow. Beautiful flower. What's color? May violet. Tumutubo lang siya kung... Come here. Yeah. After. We buy first. Yan oh, mga bahay guys. Yan. Mga bahay yan. Ito unti-unti na tumutubo yung mga ano. Mga dahon nila. Mga bulaklak. Yan, ganun. Yeah, okay. Mga nagbabike. Yan si Sander. Yeah. Why you not bring your bike? You want to walk?
Yeah.
Just walk, Sander. It's cool. Mama Bin cannot bring the gloves. That's why I feel so cold. Namumula-mula yung pisngi ni Sander. Just walking. Yeah, after you tired.
I'm tired for holding tea.
Give me that. Okay.
This one.
This.
This here.
Put in your bag.
My bag will broke.
Oh, you put here. Oh, you put. Okay. Yeah, very good. Oh, what's this? Ah, the flower. No, I bring. Puro na pala to guys. Ayan. There, wait for me. Napagod na siya guys. Ayan siya. May dala kaming bag. Ganon dito pag nag-grocery. Hindi ako marunong mag-grocery guys. Pero try natin. Kaya ako nagpasama kay Sander. Para alam ko Malapit lang din pala. Ay, ito pala yun. Where? This way? Where's the... Here? Ayan guys, oh. Dito na pala yung mga parang mga kalsada. There! Come here! Where? Ito pala ang grass. Ito pala ang grocery. Nalalaglag lang guys, oh. Ayan. There! Oh yeah!
Wait, I put this
Okay.
at this.
What you do? Oh, don't go up.
Why?
Oh, come. Pauwi na kami guys. Tapos dito kami dumaan sa tanda. Where's the way? Here inside? Can go inside?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh, how? Ito yung
We
school.
can because the school's door.
Okay.
That's not out.
Okay. Oh, see. In your school and then have market here. Yeah, so close. Okay.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. Next time I go there only one.
Okay.
Because I know already. Okay. And in your school, here. Oh, have a playground.
Yes, then.
Yeah.
Watch.
Very good. Okay. Naglalaro pa siya guys. Ito yung school nila guys. Tapos merong playground, may palaruan. Oh! Oh. Yeah, it's after your school, you play there? Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know already. Oh. Okay. Lalaro pa siya guys. Ito yung school nila guys. Where's your room? Lalaro pa siya.
Look at this.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, come on. And then there, this is way. Where's your room? Your room. Your school.
We don't have it.
Ayan. Be careful. Yan, naglalaro pa siya. Wala akong dalang guantes, guys. Ayan. Ito yung ano, pag hinahatid ko si Sander, hanggang doon lang ako. Kasi bawal pumasok. Ayan oh. Ito yung room niya. Okay. There. Can I go the way there? Have way there? Go to the market? Oh. Ang daming ano guys. Oh. Nalalaglag lang yung ano. Oh, have playground also here. Ah. Okay. Hanggang dito ko lang siya hinahatid guys. Kasi bawal pumasok dyan sa kanilang ano. There, if I go to the market, where the way?
There.
Here?
Yeah.
Can I go there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. What's that?
Yan guys, oh. Yan. Okay. Pauwi na kami guys. Aha. Ganda ng ano, oh. Ganda ng tree.
Tree.
Big tree, yeah. Yan, oh.
If I would
Where?
inside here, right on the bed.
Uh,
See what I have right here?
Ooh.
I have this in here. Mine stuff.
Okay. Okay. What's that?
I found.
No, don't get that. I think that like fire. Yeah, don't get that. Okay. Ayan guys, oh. Ang daming nalalaglag. Okay. Wait na tayo guys. Ayan. Wait tayo. Kasi may dala na nag-grocery na kami ni Derder. Okay, let's go. Kusang humihinto yung sasakyan. Kaya hindi nakakatakot dito pala magtawid-tawid si Sander. Yan, dito ako dumadaan pag hinahatid ko si Sander. Ayan, ang ganda ng ano nila. Blue na blue yung ano nila, kalangitan. Ayan. Walking. Dito ako naglalakad pag hinahatid ko si Sander. Dito kami dumadaan. Malapit lang pala yung market. This is a Spider-Man. Have a big eyes. That's a Spider-Man. Okay. Hindi siya nagdala ng bike ngayon kasi gusto niyang maglakad. Grabe. Alam niyo guys, hindi ko makayanan dito yung lamig. Super lamig dito sa Finland. Ayan. Maganda lang dito pag masanay ka na. Maganda dito mag-work. Okay. Freezer na yung aking kamay guys kasi wala akong dalang gloves, saka sobrang lamig, maiihi na ako. Okay. Oh. Wait na kami. Okay. Have a bird. The bird is color black. Ganda guys. Oh. Gaganda ng mga tree nila dito. Hello. It's your classmate. It's your friend. That's a Bensy. Okay. Okay.
I like to do this.
Can I try your candy? It's so good.
Yes.
Okay. I try one. Oh, have bird. Have mini bird. What flavor? Ah, I don't know. I cannot taste. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Ay! No. What's that house?
The other.
Have a dog here. Yeah, good there. Good. Yummy, that candy. Wala mo po magtakip guys. Kasi super lamig. That's thunder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More. More.
More. More.
More. Watch. I like to do this.
Mm. Oh, very dirty your back.